Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve return policies with Returnly step by step clearly. Start by understanding your current return policy. Analyze customer feedback to identify pain points. Evaluate the length of the return window you currently offer. Consider extending the return period to enhance customer satisfaction. Decide whether to make returns free or to charge a shipping fee. Research Returnly's features to see how they fit your needs. Sign up for a Returnly account if you haven't already. Integrate Returnly with your existing e-commerce platform. Customize your return policy within the Returnly dashboard. Ensure that the new return policy aligns with your brand image. Communicate the updated policy clearly on your website. Create a dedicated returns page for easy navigation. Include simple instructions for initiating a return. Set up automated email notifications for return confirmations. Utilize Returnly's tracking feature to keep customers informed. Train your customer support team on the new policy and tools. Monitor return statistics and customer feedback regularly. Use this data to make further adjustments as needed. Continuously promote your improved return policy in marketing materials. Always keep the customer experience at the forefront of your return process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.